Before you plant anything in your garden, watch this video first. When I first started gardening, I made a few simple mistakes that I didn't even realize were really big to begin with, but now I can see how important they are. So here are 5 really common planting mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, not digging the hole wide enough. A lot of people dig a hole that's basically the same width as the pot. But roots don't just grow down, they grow out. So instead, try to dig a hole about twice as wide as the pot. This loosens the surrounding soil and makes it much easier for the roots to spread out and into the garden soil. Mistake number 2, not digging the hole deep enough. When planting, aim to place the plant at the same depth it was growing in the pot you bought it in. The top of the root ball should sit level with the surrounding garden soil, matching the soil line from the container. Mistake number 3, not teasing out the roots. When you take a plant out of the pot, the roots are often circling tightly around the outside. If you plant it like that, those roots can keep circling instead of growing out into the soil. So gently massage the roots with your fingers before planting so they start growing outward. Mistake number 4, not watering the plants in properly. A quick splash of water isn't really enough. After planting, the soil needs a slow, deep watering so it settles around the roots and removes air pockets. This is also a good time to add something like sea salt or another seaweed solution to help reduce transplant shock and support early root growth. Mistake number 5, not mulching. A lot of people plant something and leave the soil bare around it. But bare soil dries out quickly, heats up in the sun, and weeds move in fast. Adding about 5 centimeters of mulch helps retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and suppress weeds while the plant establishes. So, if you avoid these 5 beginner mistakes, your plants will have a much better chance of establishing well and thriving in your garden.